Hello, and welcome to another morning of programming. Today we're going to start things off right with some tea. Today I've got a green tea blend of the last two teas I've been drinking. We're down to like the last little bits of the leaves of it, so I had to combine them for a full cup. So, time for a sip. Alright, let's get started. So, today, working on some game stuff. The previous thing I've been working on, you might be a little familiar with, was this sort of like gravity physics-based simulation game. Things look a little bit different now, and that's because I'm kind of retooling it. Retooling this and a couple of the last few projects of mine to turn into something else. The idea is basically I really love this idea doing this sort of like gravity space exploration game, but right now some of the math the next couple of problems I have to solve are kind of like math technical heavy, and I've been kind of running into like a wall there with what I can really accomplish and work on in terms of actual game design, versus having to spend a bunch of time like implementing a linear algebra library. So I've decided to scrap that for now and try something a little bit, I think, technically easier to get like a completely working version of. And that is going to be a like top-down 2D sort of arena shooter that takes a lot of inspiration from the weapons and enemy types in Halo. So I think that's a pretty like interesting combo. Take because the part of Halo that kind of set it apart for me. Oh, my microphone has been off crap this time. The part of Halo that kind of really like set it apart for me, versus other like FPS shooters, is that kind of like Doom. Halo has a very interesting like enemy variety, where all of the enemies have their kind of own place. They're all very visually different. They all and most of the enemies have like actual real projectile weapons, so you get some better play around how they're shooting at you versus if enemies were just like using hit scan. So that's Halo has always kind of been a game that I've really enjoyed, had a lot of fun with, and I think it like just trying to paste some of the designs for that, like grunts and elites and jackals and hunters and all these guys. I think it's probably a at least a fun exercise to paste them into top-down 2D, kind of like build like a little like survival shooter game based off of that, and kind of see where we can go from there. Probably this will take a little bit to get retooled. I've already started kind of messing around with my gravity game here, where this is now this is now gotten rid of like the previous movement system, is now back to direct movement. Actually, unfortunately, I'm getting a call in Discord, so I'm gonna have to hop off for now, but